my name is Noelle Paulo, and I currently serve as your 2024-2025 State Vice President of Management. And today I'm going to go through the Financial Fitness Workshop. This month, Florida FCCLA is highlighting the National Network Financial Fitness. These programs include lesson plans, activities, curriculum, and project ideas that can be used in the classroom. Whether within a chapter or school-wide, students can make an impact using the FCCLA planning process to plan and implement all national program projects. FCCLA and Family and Consumer Sciences go hand in hand. The mission of Family and Consumer Sciences education is to prepare students for family life, work life, and careers in family and consumer sciences by providing opportunities to develop the knowledge, skills, attitudes, and behaviors needed for strengthening the well-being of individuals and families across the lifespan, becoming responsible citizens and leaders in family, community, and work settings, and promoting optimal nutrition and wellness across the lifespan, and much more. The FCCLA Financial Fitness National Peer Education Program involves youth teaching one another how to earn, spend, save, and protect money wisely. Through FCCLA's Financial Fitness Program, youth plan and carry out projects that help them and their peers learn to become wise financial managers and smart consumers. Youth leaders can build their peers' financial literacy and teach them skills for managing their finances today and in the future. The goal of financial fitness is to inform and inspire teens to sharpen their skills in money management, consumerism, and financial planning. Although the income of your typical teen is limited, they tend to spend a tremendous amount of money. This program will help students learn to manage their money wisely. Teens who learn to handle their finances will become adults who know how to manage their money in order to build better lives for themselves and their families and to strengthen the economy. FCCLA addresses financial issues as an integral part of family and consumer science education. Financial management is a key skill that prepares young people for the multiple roles of family member, wage earner, and community leader, with these roles supported by the Financial Fitness Program. The teen years are an ideal time to establish sound financial habits to last a lifetime. Financial fitness gives teens the facts and incentives they need to build financial fitness both today and in the future. Through this program, young people plan and carry out projects that help them and their peers make informed, responsible decisions about finances. Each unit of the Financial Fitness Program helps members work towards their ultimate financial goals. Earning. Teens today need to understand what it means to make money so that they can better understand how to spend and save money. Through the Financial Fitness Earning Unit, young people will understand how their choices in employment and education affect their income and abilities to accomplish their financial goals. Spending. One of the first steps to reaching financial goals is to take care of your money. Spending money is all about choices, your choices. Through projects in the Spending Unit, young people will learn how to master their money without letting it master them. Saving. Saving money can be one of the hardest things to do when it comes to finances. Financial habits young people build now can carry them through a lifetime. By setting goals and adopting good financial habits now, you can increase the likelihood of having the life you want in the future because you saved enough money to make it possible. Protecting. Young people have to protect their finances and personal identity both now and in the future. Learning to make wise decisions, understanding consumer rights and responsibilities, protecting yourself online and against identity theft, and understanding and using insurance are all important things that teens need to do in order to protect their finances. What does it take to plan a financial fitness project? It takes an idea, some planning, determination, working with others, flexibility, evaluating, reflecting, and celebrating. And it takes an advisor who is passionate about teen financial fitness and helping teens discover and practice how to earn, spend, save, and protect money wisely. The key to planning a financial fitness project is getting students involved from the very beginning. How can you do that? Use the tools and information located on the FCCLA Engage in National Programs section of the National FCCLA website, located at www.fcclainc.org. FCCLA is proud to partner with Visa on this most recent update of the Financial Fitness National Program. To help consumers and students of all ages learn the essentials of personal finance, Visa has partnered with leading consumer advocates, educators, and financial institutions to develop the Practical Money Skills program. At practicalmoneyskills.com and whatsmyscore.org, consumers, educators, parents, students, and policymakers can access free educational resources, including personal finance articles, games, and lesson plans. Thank y'all for joining my financial fitness workshop. I'm super excited for all chapters to participate in my favorite national program. If you have any questions, contact info@flfccla.org.